Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Unpaywall Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to discover free, open-access research articles from millions of scholarly publications. This actor searches for Unpaywall database to find scholarly articles and determine whether they're open access. It returns full bibliographic details, open access status, publisher info, citation counts, and, most importantly, direct links to free PDFs when available. This is especially useful for researchers, academics, librarians, students, and anyone who needs to access research papers without paywalls. So, how does it work? To get started, you only need one required field, a search query. This searches article titles in the Unpaywall database using keywords like machine learning, climate change, or cancer research. You can optionally enable the open access filter. When this is turned on, the scraper will return only articles that are free to read. This is perfect if you want to avoid subscription-only content entirely. And finally, you can select the maximum number of items you want scraped. In this example, I'm searching for articles related to software, filtering for open access only, and limiting the results to 25. Now, once everything is set, you can run the actor once, or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, each article appears as a row in this dataset table in the Output tab. For each article, you get the title, DOI, publication year, journal name, publisher, and open access status. You'll also get the best available open access location, including direct PDF links and landing pages. This makes it easy to immediately access the free version of the paper. You can also export the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file for use in spreadsheets, research tools, or data pipelines. This actor makes it easy to find free-to-read research articles at scale without manually checking publishers or repositories. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us, and if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.